Good morning, students. This is a lesson of adolescent. Adolescent means attaining maturity. Okay. In this lesson, you are going to learn only about the two definitions, adolescent and puberty, for this cumulative exam. Okay. So, what is adolescence? The term adolescence is derived from the Latin word adolescence, naming grow or maturity. During this period, changes occur in height, weight, sex, organs, and function. So our body will be attaining maturity during this stage, adolescent stage. All the boys and girls will attain maturity. Okay, when a plant grows, it will attain maturity, isn't it? The same way all the human beings will attain the maturity. During that time, the height, you will grow in height, weight, sex organ, muscle mass, everything will be increased. Okay, and this maturity stage is called as adolescence. Puberty is a period of few years in which rapid physiological and psychological changes occur, resulting in the sexual maturity. This is the next definition in this lesson. Puberty is a period of few physical, psychological changes occur, resulting in sexual maturity. The average age for the onset of puberty is 10 to 11 for girls and 12 to 13 for boys. And for this, when they are attaining the puberty, what are the changes coming in their body? It is called as that. From seeing the body physiologically, physical appearance itself, we can understand that the boy or the girl has attained the maturity. And the age for the girls is 10 to 11 and for boys is 12 to 13. During this stage, there will be many changes happening in the body of the boys and the girls. What are the changes that occurs during puberty? Changes in the body size. The body size will be changed. Body proportion, height, weight, everything will be changed. Primary sex characters, the childish nature, all will change into become a mature character. It will attain development of secondary sex characters. Development of the secondary sexual characters also develop among the boys and the girls. The first change that happens is the increase in the body height and weight. Okay, so all the boys and girls will attain when they attain the maturity, they will increase in that height as well as the weight. It usually begins at the age of 10 to 12 for the girls and 12 to 13 for boys. You have seen when you reach to 9th standard or 10th standard, totally you will keep on changing your face, your height, weight, everything will be suddenly changing. That is because of the attaining the maturity. Then in addition to height, they also experience the significant release in the weight also. The average weight also will be near to 17 to 19 kgs. The body proportion. Now next comes bodies which are small in proportionately grow big. Our body will grow very big during the when they are attaining the this. For boys, all the shoulders, hip all will become broad, and the biceps all will come for the boys. So this is the changes that happens for the body. Primary sex characters, the sex characters for the boys and girls will differ, and they attain the maturity, and they will be the sex organs will be ready for the reproductive organ will increase, and reproductive stage they attain. So that is called as organs also grows during puberty. They will attain the maturity stage, the all the reproductive organs. So these are the things what you are going to learn in this lesson. The next part of this lesson will continue later. Thank you, students.